How do trade policies impact specific industries? Imagine a world where the price of raw materials suddenly jumps or where certain goods become harder to import. That's what trade policies can do to industries. When governments set tariffs, import quotas, or subsidies, they change how much it costs to bring in goods or sell them abroad. These rules directly affect industries by making their products more or less competitive. For example, if a country imposes a tariff on imported steel, steel companies in that country might find it easier to sell their products because foreign steel becomes more expensive. But at the same time, industries that relying on imported steel, like car manufacturing or construction, face higher costs. These increased costs can slow down production, raise prices for consumers, and even cut into profits. Trade policies often aim to shield domestic industries from foreign competition. If a country wants to protect its farming sector, it might limit the amount of imported food through quotas or make imported goods more costly with tariffs. This can boost local farmers' sales and keep jobs in the agricultural sector. But this protection can also lead to higher prices for consumers and businesses that buy these goods. For industries like manufacturing, which depend heavily on imported parts, higher tariffs on components can raise production costs significantly. This ripple effect can slow down building projects, increase housing prices, and make repairs more expensive. From a bigger picture, trade policies can influence the entire economy. If a government favors certain industries, it might see short-term gains in employment and output. But these policies can also cause prices to rise across the board, reducing how much people and companies spend. Over time, higher costs and less trade can make the economy less efficient and less productive. Industries that depend on specialized imported inputs might face long-lasting supply chain issues, which can hurt their ability to compete globally. Governments sometimes use trade policies for strategic reasons too. They might restrict imports of critical goods like semiconductors or pharmaceuticals to develop domestic capabilities. This can lead to more manufacturing jobs and innovation in those sectors. However, trade restrictions can also trigger retaliation from other countries, leading to trade conflicts. These conflicts often increase costs for businesses and consumers, reducing overall welfare. Industries such as manufacturing, construction, automotive, and repair services are especially affected because they are tied into complex supply chains. When tariffs go up on raw materials or parts, their costs increase, making their products less competitive. Policymakers need to weigh the short-term benefits of protecting specific industries against the long-term effects on the economy, prices, and international relationships. So trade policies shape how industries grow, compete, and adapt in a global economy.